We see different animals around us. They live in different places and have different eating habits. On the basis of places and where they live, animals are of different types, like domestic animals, wild animals, pet animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, birds, and insects. Now let's come to domestic animals. Domestic animals live near our house or on the farm. They are also called farm animals. Cow, hens, horse, buffalo, sheep, and goats are called domestic animals. Wild animals. Animals like tiger, elephant, lion, giraffe, bear are all wild animals because they live in the forest. They are very big. They can also be in the zoo. Now let's come to pet animals. Pet animals are kept with us inside our house. We keep them for our pleasure and company. Cats, dogs, parrot, and rabbit are some pet animals. What are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, dolphin, whales, alligators are aquatic animals. Let's see what are amphibians. Animals that live both on land and water are called amphibians. Frog is an amphibian. Birds. Birds are the only animals that can fly. They make nests and lay eggs. Pigeons, crow, and sparrow are some common birds. Insects. Insects are the creepy, crawly creatures. Some of them can fly. Ants, swarms, flies, and butterflies are some insects. What do animals eat? Different animals eat different kinds of food. Animals that eat green plants are called herbivores. Cows, goats, zebras, horses, and giraffes are some herbivores. Some have long necks so they can reach green leaves. Most have sharp front teeth for cutting and biting. Animals that eat meat are called carnivores. Lion, tiger, jackals, and other members of the dog family are carnivores. These animals move very fast and have sharp teeth. Animals like bear, cat, and crow eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. All animals need shelter of their own. Wild animals like tiger, lion, deer live in the forest. It is their natural shelter. A forest is a piece of land thickly covered with trees. Domestic animals live in shelters made by men, like cows live in a shed, horses live in a stable, birds build a nest on tree tops or inside people's houses. Animals like rabbit, rat, and snake dig burrows and holes and live under the ground. Bees live in beehives, monkeys live in tree shelter, and ants live in anthills. Animals are very useful to us. Animals help us in different ways, like buffalo, goat, and cow give us milk, hen and duck give us eggs, goat, sheep, and fish give us meat, sheep give us wool. It is woven into woolen clothes. Silkworms give us silk fibers. Bees give us wax and honey. Wax is used to make candle and polish. Ox plug our field. Donkeys, camel, and horse carry people and loads from one place to another.